Hi friends, so today we're going to be using a drill and I'm just going to show you how to do that. Alright, so this is a drill and this is a DeWalt obviously. It has different settings. This is a little bit older one, but a lot of them have this. You can have a different torque setting, so if you are screwing it's gonna skip a little bit on the lower numbers, and the higher numbers it's going to be a little bit more difficult. All right, so first thing you want to do if you are adding you want to get a screw or a drill bit in there, you can see that this is what holds it in place. So it's got a little, this one's a manual or a handheld chuck. Some have like one where you just like put a like a screw in there and you turn it, you can tighten it like that. This one you just grip here, and then if you put this on loosen, it'll open it up. So left with your left hand is loosen, right hand on the right side is tighten with these drills. So to loosen it, you would put it on the left side with the thumb if you're a righty, and then you want to back it out like that. Just hold this and gently pull the trigger there like that. Okay, now to get our drill in there, drill bit I should say, pick one out, and then it's open all the way. We're just going to add our drill bit to that. We're going to click with my finger on the right hand side here, remember righty tighty, right like that. You can hear a click, and then hold this and just give it some gas. I'm going to go kind of slow, make sure that's in there, and then you can kind of give it, hold it kind of tight, and there you go. So that's how you put a drill bit in the drill. And to loosen it, just remember left is loose. On the left side of the drill, hold it like that and gently back it out. You want to do it kind of slow when you are holding it, just so you don't injure yourself or something like that. So thanks for watching. That's how you remove a drill bit using a DeWalt drill.